Hi everybody, Mrs. Hawkins here, and I'm going to be talking to you about 10 frames again. You know, all kindergarten is about tens, 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 tens. One of the things that we like to do is work with our 10 frames. Here I have one full 10 frame, and I have another full 10 frame for you. And two 10 frames equals 20, which is two tens. So one 10, another 10, which is two tens, make the number 20. So I know that you guys, don't worry if this is more than you can do right now. You still have your 1 to 10 cards, and now we're sending home, next for this week, we're sending home 1 to 20 cards. So I already mixed them up, but I'm going to try to find a few. So for instance, this is the number 13, because I have 1, 10, 11, 12, 13. So what we want to make sure we're doing is counting up those cards. We're trying to recognize that number. So I know that that's 10. It's all filled in. That's a number 10. And then there's, if I can count up from 10, 11, 12, 13. Your mom and dad might have to help you with this when you're a kindergartner. That's totally normal. Don't worry about it. But that particular card is a 13. So here's another card. Can you read this card? I know I have 5, 6, 7, 8. And I saw Isella posted in the Padlet something really interesting. She knew it was 8 because she already recognized that 2 were missing. And she already knew somehow, probably from preschool, that 10 minus 8 or 10 minus 2 equals 8. So she was able to notice what was missing to figure it out too. So you can try it that way also. But I always still have to look at the filled in side and count up. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So I'm going to send these new cards home with you. And one of the things you can do with your mom and dad or your brothers and sisters is you can shuffle them. I'm not going to try because I have this new wristband on. I got a new one this week. It's much easier to work with. But let's say I'm going to split my cards up in 2. And I'm going to have my pile. And somebody else is going to have their pile. And we're going to flip them. So I'm going to count. There's 10. Sometimes you have to count from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay? And I can count that a lot of ways. And that's what I want you to practice with 10 frames. Count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, and one more is 16. Okay, then my partner puts their card down, and how many do they have? You're right, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So which one is bigger, 4 or 16? Like Miss Becky said, I like to think in cookies. Would I rather have 4 cookies or rather have a plate of 16 cookies? This one is bigger. So in this game, maybe I said at the beginning, whoever has the biggest number wins. So if we said biggest number, I would take that and those become my cards. Okay? The next time we flip over, we have, that's right, 10, 11, 12. Oh, that looks like a lot more. Oh, same number. I'm going to count by 5s on this one. 5, 10, 15, 16. So that means still highest number wins. Oops, sorry. I have a ghost partner. Luckily, they're not getting mad at me. But it's just a game, so don't get mad at anybody. It's about counting is what we want you to do. So as you do these, you can do these once a day. Play this game once a day with your breakfast maybe. Have your breakfast, get your cards out, play a game of, I think that's called War, when you are grabbing the highest card, and then you can switch it up for another game and you can say, okay, now lowest card wins. So play that game, but really what I want you to do is practice recognizing your 10 frames, okay? So this is 1 full 10, and that's another full 10, okay? And that's what we're working with. We're working to the number 20 at this time. All right, so I hope that was pretty fun. I want you to see you playing those games, okay? Good job. See you later.